Are you wondering if you can sell physical products on your Pretty Dashboard website? The answer is yes, and today we are going to be talking about all the shipping options when you are wanting to sell physical products on your Pretty Dashboard website. The first one is manually entering your sale information and your customers' information on your preferred shipping website, such as USPS or UPS, or if you use a website like Shippo or another shipping website, you can enter the information manually. The second way is going to be exporting your orders. In your order section, you can export as a .csv file that you can then upload to websites such as Shippo or other ones like ShipStation, but we're actually going to be showing you everything with Shippo today because it is a free service. So I'm not going to show you something that costs more money because that's what we're all about here at Pretty Dashboard, is keeping things simple and not having a million subscriptions. So let's just first start with your standard shipping options in your store on your Pretty Dashboard. So we're in the store dashboard right now and we're gonna head over to settings. Now you can make all these other settings however you want, but we're gonna be focusing on shipping. So let's just add a few shipping options that you might be using. So the first one we're going to do by price range. So this would be if you are offering a free shipping or not. We're gonna go with the not for right now, and then we'll add the free shipping option. So in this case, we want our free shipping to be anything over $100 is free shipping. So for this price range one, since this isn't the free shipping, we're gonna make this one below $100. This is the amount of shipping that they will have to pay in your designated country. We'll do the worldwide last as well. So the name of this one is just going to be flat rate shipping. And then, like I said, anything under $100 is going to be this flat rate shipping. So we're going to say from $0 to $99.99 is going to cost, let's say, $7 flat rate shipping. You can make it whatever you want depending on what carrier you use and the normal shipping costs that they have. You can check that out and kind of see what your average range is. Sometimes it's going to cost you more. That's just the beauty of doing business, but you want to keep the shipping costs not too crazy for your client, but enough that it'll cover yours and or it'll be close enough or just break even. So we're going to make this one applied for the US, not global. And like I said, you can choose this for whatever country that you're in. So we'll confirm that for the United States of America and we'll add that shipping option. So now we have that shipping option. Now we'll add the free shipping option. So like I said, anything over $100 is going to be free. So we will just put, 10,000 or 100,000 just to be safe here. I doubt someone's going to be spending 100,000. I hope they do spend $100,000 with you, but we'll just leave it at that. So the shipping cost is going to be $0, and that is going to be also for the United States. You can create a shipping option for global if you want to do a free one, but you might want to have them spend a little more money if you're going to do the global free shipping, because shipping to other countries can be upwards of $50. So you might want to make it so that if they spend $500, they'll get free shipping if they are global. But for this tutorial, we're just going to do United States of America. So now we have the free shipping option. So now let's just add a global shipping option. So let's call this one global shipping. And we'll make it from $0 to, like I said, if you were going to do a free shipping for global and make it maybe above 500. So maybe we'll just do the $499.99. So anything from $0 to $500, they're going to have to pay for their shipping. And typically it's around $20. I've seen it more depending on the country you're going to, but we'll just leave it at $25 just to be safe. So that way it will cover most people. And if you have to pay a little extra for some people, that's okay. Just because, you want people to be buying from other countries. So if you have to eat a little bit of it, that's like I said, it's business. So we'll leave that at $25. So now we have all our shipping options. So when someone goes to check out, they will see these shipping options. Obviously, if they haven't spent over $100, they'll only see the flat rate shipping option. And if they have free shipping, it'll automatically just be free. And then global, again, if they've spent under $500, their shipping will be $25. Now let me just fix this real quick because I misspelled it and that's going to drive me nuts. But that's how you add your shipping options in your store dashboard. So now let's move on to the ways that you can export your orders and have them in your preferred shipping platform. Like I said, we're going to be using Shippo. So we'll head over to Shippo. And like I said, we're going to be using Shippo. So we'll head over to Shippo right now and I'll show you the first way, which is just manually entering the information. Now, Shippo is 100% free. If you want it to be, obviously you pay for the shipping labels, but you would do that anyway, even if you were using a different e-commerce platform or if you were just going through the USPS website. Now, you can manually enter this information that we're about to enter into Shippo into USPS or UPS or FedEx itself. You don't necessarily have to use Shippo, but you do get discounts on shipping if you use Shippo. But like I said, Shippo is free to use. You just pay for the shipping labels. So we're in the Shippo dashboard right now, and as you can see right here, you can just add your orders manually, and then our second way is upload the CSV file. So right now, we're gonna do the add orders manually. So this is the form that you will fill out with the information that your customer sent when they ordered something through you. So in your store, you can see all the order information here, click on it, and their address and all of that information will be in here if it is a physical product. If it's a digital product, they don't really need to enter their address, but for this purpose, we are doing physical products, so you can see all that information here, their name, their email, and their billing details, aka their address, that you can now send into here. So you would put your information here for the shipping from, and then you would put their information here for the shipping to, and you'd go through the process and pay for your shipping label, and they will get sent confirmations that will say like, hey, we shipped out your stuff. Now we'll go back and we will do the second way. So before we upload the CSV, let's go back to our store. We'll go back to the order section, and right up here, you can click export orders. So that will create a CSV file for you, and it will send it to your email. So I'm gonna go check my email. I'm gonna download that file onto my computer, and then we'll upload it into our Shippo. So we'll head over here to the Upload CSV section. Click Select File, and then find that file that you just downloaded from your email. Upload it, and then you'll kind of go through here and make sure that the information is in here. Like, you don't necessarily need to know everything. I would probably put in, you know, their name. You definitely want to have that one. You want to have their email. The amount doesn't really matter. The payment doesn't really matter. And some of these are already put in here, like the order weight one is checked already. And so if there was weight, I just did a test one, so there was no weight on it, but that's why that looks like that. The quantity and all that doesn't necessarily matter too much. What really matters is their name, email, and their street address. So we definitely want to make sure that you have that information in there and that this is not ignoring it, because you want to ship to them. So we'll put in the city and then the state, there we go, and then the zip code as well, and obviously the country as well. And since we've already entered this information for the shipping, we don't really need to do it for the billing, because honestly, the shipping company doesn't need to know their billing information. They really only need the shipping information, so make sure you have these ones selected. So we'll ignore everything else and we will click upload. You can save this template so that way it doesn't say ignore every time if you want to, so we'll just click test and do that. So now our order upload is in progress, and you will get an email when that is finished. So you can go ahead and head to your orders page and see if it's been populated already. If not, then you can just wait for your email. So as you can see, the order has been updated, so we can view that, and you can see that all the shipping information is in here and everything like that. So you can go ahead and fill out the rest of this and click buy, and that will purchase your shipping label, and it will send the information to your customer, and you will now have a shipped order through Shippo by just uploading your CSV. So that's it. That's how you ship your physical products using Pretty Dashboard. Now, I did want to mention that there is one more way. It's just a little more of a setup, but it is a way to have this automated so you don't have to manually do this every single time. But if you have a smaller business, doing it manually or uploading this CSV really isn't that big of a deal, and I feel like it lets you have a little more control of what's going on. I do have a video that focuses just on that one automation, which is using Zapier, which connects both Pretty Dashboard and Shippo. So when an order gets placed into Pretty Dashboard and your website, it will go through the middleman known as Zapier, and it will enter the information into Shippo automatically, and then you just have to purchase your labels from there. So if you want to see this video and how to do it the automated way, just check out the link in the description below. That's all I got for you today. Hope this helped. I can't wait to see what products you start shipping with on Pretty Dashboard. If you need any help, do not hesitate to reach out at hello@prettydash.co. Bye!